Today I'll be showing you how to create a sweet little bunny from my new Easter egg covers pattern. This is a really simple project and my pattern comes with instructions for both the bunny and the hen, so there's no need to purchase them both separately. I created two video tutorials, this one for the bunny and another for the hen. So make sure you check out that video as well. I'll put the link in the description and I'll also put a link to my Etsy store where you can find this pattern and all of my other patterns as well. Let's talk about supplies for creating our little Easter egg covers. First we need felt in our colour of choice. We need embroidery thread to make the eyes, sewing thread or embroidery thread to match or contrast with your felt. You'll need sewing needle and some pins, some scissors and some snips. And that's it. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is cut out our paper template pieces. So I have a bunny piece and an ear piece. Now I'm going to take my piece of felt and fold it over so it's a double piece, and I'm going to position my bunny on top of both pieces of felt and pin it in place. Now I'm going to cut out both pieces together. Just removing the template piece and just checking that both of my pieces look fine. Now that I have my two bunny pieces, I'm going to sit them so they are nose to nose. This ensures that when I attach the inner ear pieces and the eye embroidery, that they're both on the right side or the outside. Now we need to cut 4 of these little inner ear pieces. So I don't pin these because it's a bit tricky to have the pin and cut around it. So I just hold it in place while I cut it. Okay, here's one. Now I just need 4 more. So I've cut out the 4 inner ear pieces and I've attached sewing thread to my needle. It matches the yellow of the inner ear piece. So now let's sew them on. On the back side, or what will be the inside of the rabbit, the bunny, we're going to thread our needle through just the very top layer of felt. So you can see it through here, but you cannot see it on this side. I'm doing this so that I can bury my thread end in here. So I've brought the needle to the point at the bottom of one of the ears. And I'm just going to cut a little of the felt there so I can create a knot. And let's pull that tight and we can cut this tail here. I'm going to position the ear on the other side. So let's bring the needle through to the working side. Now I want to bring it to the point just at the bottom of the inner ear piece. And this is where we're going to create a one-sided blanket stitch. Now to do that, I need to catch just a little bit of the purple felt, and then I'm going straight up through from the bottom to the top of the inner ear piece. Now I'm pulling this through, hopefully not catching all that, and I'm waiting until there's a little loop that appears. So when I have this loop here, I'm going to go through both strands and pull that tight. So again, we catch the purple and we go straight up through the yellow. We pull this gently until a loop forms, and then we go through both of those strands. Okay, now we continue this around the whole inner ear piece. Now that I've come back around to the bottom, I want to send my needle through to the other side And I'm just going to create a little knot here just by catching a tiny piece of the felt. Now let's go through the felt to position the needle at the bottom of the other inner earpiece. Now that I'm here, we'll go back through to this side and we will repeat the blanket stitch on this side. Now I've finished my blanket stitch around the second inner earpiece. I've sent my needle through this side of the felt to the back side of the felt. And let's create a little knot here. And I'm going to thread this needle under a very thin layer of felt. Pull that tight and give it a snip. Now I have some embroidery thread on my needle. This is for the eye colour. I'm going to come from the back to the position that I want the eye. And let's pull it until there's just a little tail, about that. On the front side, we're going to create a very small stitch just by catching a tiny little bit of the felt. And when I have pulled a loop through, I'm going to thread my needle through that loop. And then when the second loop forms, I'm going to thread through that loop as well. Yes, I'm just creating a knot. So I've pulled both the end and the front to make that knot sit against the felt. I'm going to take my needle and just beside the knot I'm going to push the needle back through to the other side. Just make sure it doesn't tangle and pull both ends so they sit nicely. Then on the back side we just knot the thread ends, a double knot, and we want to give them a snip. So that's about 1/2 inch. Okay, now we're going to repeat all of these steps for the second piece. Now I've finished both sides of my bunny, it's time to join them together. So let's put them together, both right sides out. I've attached some sewing thread to my needle. This time, when I make this bunny, I've chosen to use yellow thread because it matches the ear. So you can either pick contrasting or matching colours like I have with this bunny. This bunny has the thread that matches the felt. But this bunny I'm going to use thread that matches the ears. In the middle here, we're just going to bring the needle through a layer of felt to this bottom right hand corner. And you can see, I can't see it on this side. So I'm just going to leave a little tail at the moment. And I'll bring the other piece over the top and going through both layers from the top through to the bottom, I'm going to create a knot. Now that I have my knot, I can trim this tail. I just want to make sure that all of the little eye threads are inside the felt. So now we're just going to make a simple blanket stitch. Thread from the bottom through to the top, wait for a loop to form, and then thread your needle through that loop. And that's one blanket stitch. So we're going to continue this until we go all the way around the bunny. From this side, around the ears, around the nose, and we're going to stop here. We want to leave the bottom section open. So I've just reached the bottom left corner. That was my last stitch, but I do want to create a knot here. So let's create that knot. And let's open this up. And I'm going to thread my needle through the layer of felt, and then I'm going to work it into the felt on the inside. So just like this, you can see the stitches underneath, but you can't see it from the outside. So let's cut this, and that's it. Now our little bunny is finished. This little bunny is part of a pattern. And in the pattern are instructions to make little chickens as well. So you can have little chickens and you can have little bunnies as your Easter egg covers. So thank you so much for crafting again with me today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, show your support by giving it a like. And if you'd like to stay updated with all of my new tutorials, please subscribe.